Hello, my kings and queens, and welcome to Raise the Palms on Demand. My name is JuJu, and I'm the founder of Train with JuJu, and this is where you get to learn my combos from anywhere and on your time. Today, we're gonna be doing my 1-year anniversary combo to a Britney Spears times Tate McRae mix. I'm so excited. Let's dance and let's get after it.
No, seriously, get your hands off my man.
Alright, she's so excited. You got it right now. Just keep your hands on him. She be like, you're so perfect. I'll be like, you're perfect. Would you hold it against me? If I said my heart was beating loud, would you hold it against me?
All right, you guys, we're gonna start with counts to the back, and we actually start to the back. So I'm gonna start facing you. So here you go. You're gonna hear 4 claps in the beginning. It's gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna step over 1, and that needs to be like a whip. Turn your torso and your neck. You hit 1, down 2, back 3, hit 4, slap your thighs 5, snap it 6. That's a 6 count. So we're not doing a 7 and an 8. Let's do that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, snap it 6. You're gonna step 1, slide it 2, 3, 4, step 5, head 6, 7, and 8. Don't worry, we're gonna be doing it also to the front, so you'll see where my hands go. So that's 7 and 8. You're gonna step back for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's like you're ripping your shirt open. I know, but that's what the image is, all right? So you're going 1, 2, 3, 4. That's nice and slow. Milk it out, draw it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, step 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna go down to the sides of your body. 1, 2, hit 3, big chest, and 4, step it 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we're gonna keep on going. So you just did 5, 6, I want that swipe, 8. This is my favorite part. You're gonna be doing 2 knee drops, so knee pads if needed. You're gonna hit slide 1 and 2, stay down, slide again, 3 and 4, dip your head around, 5, up 6, 2 booty rolls, 7, 8, slap the ground, 1, up 2, slap your knees, 3, 4, bring your feet in, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is your long, drawn out intro. And after you do the knee drop, so you just hit 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, up, 3, 4. It says, would you hold it against me? And that's like your moment to charge, okay? We're gonna keep on going. So you just did, hold it against me. You're gonna shun a fan kick jump. You have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Arms are just swinging around in an L. 3 and 4, out 5, in 6, mermaid your feet, 7, 8. You're gonna hit 1, 2, 3, 4, open up, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's another moment where it says, would you hold it against me? Then the music's gonna get even higher here. So you hit 1, 2, step as your head's rolling to the front. 3, 4, that's a clean. Half T to a full T. 5 and 6. Motorcycle arm, 7, 8. Now, here is where it slows down a little bit. So you just did 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, I'm slapping my hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, go down the sides of your body. 5, 6, 7, big chest pop like the beginning, and 8. You're gonna turn around, arms are gonna cross. 1, 2, hit it. 3, 4. Okay, so let's go from the charge forward. So we have 5 and 6, 7, 8. Slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have a big knee drop here. So you just hit the sides. 3, 4. You're going 5 and 6. Wow, it is so early in the morning for a knee drop. 5 and 6, up. 7, 8, slide floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, walk it. 5, 6, hit out. 7, down. 8, look to the side on the right. 1. And it goes, keep your eyes off him. And that is your combo. All right, you guys, now we are gonna be doing counts to the front, so really pay attention to where I place my hands, okay? So you start 5, 6, 7, 8, turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, step 5, 6, 7, and 8. Open shirt, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hit it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Dip it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it against me. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it against me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Eyes off him. Woo! That is a lot. Good job, you guys.
No, seriously, get your hands off my man.
Alright, seems so exciting.